The scientists and data scientists evolved around finding out a neural network which can help understand an image in detail and understand how we are able to recognize certain things in an image. So that we have done with the help of CNN. CNN basically tells us is a convolutional neural network. When we talk about computer vision, we were talking about convolutional neural networks in short. And convolutional neural network is something where the images um, captured by the devices, or whatever is the image that we are going to we have, the data, image data is kind of recognized by the computer. We make the computer understand what is this image. So CNNs are a class of neural networks which are specially used in filing in field of imaging and computer. CNNs are a class of neural network which are used in the specifically in the field of computer convolutional imaging, image processing, and they are used in the field of natural language processing and time series, but are almost synonymous with computer vision. So it is also used in natural language processing for analyzing the data. Now, the name convolutional basically comes from the mathematical called as model called as convolution. Convolution is an operation on two function that basically produces a third function expressing how the shape of one is modified by others. So basically, it is all about a data. On top of it, we apply a convolution operation. It keeps on convolving around that particular model. This function is applied over another function, and that is why it will give rise to a third function. So at a very high and simplistic level of a CNN, if you want to understand, so image, we have an image and there is an label for that image. Okay. And we are going to apply a CNN in between. So this CNN will identify what is that image and give it a label. So a image, suppose here we have an elephant, CNN will identify it and tell it that yeah, it is an elephant. So the architecture of CNN involves four parameters. First is input image, convolutional layer, pooling layer, and flattened layer. Now each of these layers are important when it comes to convolutional neural network, because first input image will give us an input raw array of image with three dimension, that is row, width, and channel. Then we have convolutional layer. Convolutional layer is a layer where we apply convolution operation, mathematical convolution operation over that input array of image, and we apply convolutional operation in a way that it identifies certain set of information based on the convolutional kernel and the size of the rectilinear operator or activation function. Then we have pooling layer, which basically extracts meaningful information over that convolved image or convolved information. And then we have flattened layer, which will be serving as a input layer to our input ANN network. So basically, convolutional neural network is a combination of CNN operation of image processing, and finally we have the ANN. So it is a combination of convolutional operation and artificial neural network, and that's how it becomes convolutional neural network.